Hello my friends, welcome to my new video. In this video I will show you how to make a delicious ricotta spinach Christmas tree. Here are the ingredients you will need. Let's begin by preparing the filling. In a large saucepan, add 3 tablespoons of water along with the baby spinach. Cook over medium heat for 5 minutes, stirring until the leaves become wilted. Allow the spinach to cool, then use a cheesecloth to drain out the water. Place the drained spinach in a bowl and spread out the leaves. Chop the spinach on a wooden board and then set it aside. In a medium bowl, combine the ricotta cheese, grated cheeses, chopped spinach, egg, salt, and pepper. Mix thoroughly with a fork until well combined. Refrigerate the filling and let's make the dough. In a large bowl, combine the flour and the salt. Mix with a wooden spoon. Add the warm white wine and olive oil. Continue mixing with the spoon, then with your hand. Sprinkle in a little more flour. Use your hand to knead the dough until it is silky, smooth, and no longer sticky. Remove a small piece of dough for the tree's star and trunk. Weigh the remaining dough or divide it by eye into 2 equal portions. Let's begin by shaping the bottom layer of the Christmas tree. Roll out 1 portion of dough on a large sheet of parchment paper into a large triangle, approximately 17 inches long and 12 inches wide at the base. Transfer the triangle still on the parchment paper to a large baking tray and set it aside. On a new piece of parchment paper, roll out the top layer into a triangle of the same size. Set it aside. Now we will assemble the tree. Take the bottom layer and spread the breadcrumbs evenly over the dough. The breadcrumbs will absorb the moisture from the ricotta filling and will prevent the dough from becoming soggy. Spread the ricotta mixture evenly on top, keeping a small border around the edges. Brush some water along the edges. This will help seal the 2 layers. Flip the top triangle over the filling using the parchment paper to help. Carefully peel off the parchment paper and adjust the edges, then press them together. Seal the edges with a fork except for the bottom area where the trunk will go. Divide the small piece of dough set aside earlier. Cut half into a star using a star cookie cutter. Place the star at the top of the tree. Shape the other half into a small rectangle for the trunk. Place it at the base of the tree between the 2 layers of dough, then seal with a fork. Starting at the top, use a sharp knife to cut 12 strips on each side of the tree. Twist each branch towards you once. Using the tip of your knife, insert some of the ricotta mixture into the twisted parts of the branches. Arrange the tips of the branches upwards. Let's prepare the egg wash. In a small bowl, mix the egg yolk with the milk. Using a pastry brush, brush the entire tree with the egg wash. Use the last of the egg wash to brush the ricotta inside the twisted branches. Bake the tree in a preheated 380 degrees Fahrenheit or 193 Celsius oven. Bake for 40 to 45 minutes until golden. Allow the tree to cool completely before serving. I guarantee that this entree makes a nice presentation on your holiday table and will be enjoyed by your guests. I hope you like this recipe. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more recipes. Until next time, bye for now.